Okay, Ultimate Posh Crew, I am chipping off videos today to help you be ready for May 1st. With our new influencer pay plan, we are also introducing 2 kit options. And this is something super important that I wanted to just bring your attention forward to really think about this before we actually get into offering up these 2 different option kits. So what are the 2 options? So option number 1, we have a $30 kit, okay? The $30 kit does not come with product. The $30 kit comes with your replicated website, Posh Pay, you're on the locator, you get 2 free shipping coupons, and you get business supplies for that $30, but you don't get product, okay? Kit number 1. Kit number 2. Kit number 2 is our $99 kit. Still amazing, still a great deal. You get the same thing that you got in the $30 kit, which is like your replicated website, your business supplies, and you get a set for the month of products, okay? So for example, those products could vary. It could be a body wash, a Sassyooma body wash, a Soapy Brazilian Bombshell soap, a body cream, a skin stick, and a big fat yummy hand cream. Plus included would be 2 20 packs of 2 different samples. Example, a BFF and a Moisture 911, just to help you think about which kit would be an option for you. Okay, so we have our $30 kit and we have our $99 kit. Should we be selling the $30 kit as a discount kit? Probably not, and this is why I'm going to tell you. As a loyal customer, and we all have those loyal customers in our VIP group that come into our business and they purchase on a regular basis. They purchase every 90 days, every 3 months, and sometimes even more frequently. These loyal customers become an important part of your business. Now, as May 1st approaches, if you sell our $30 kit to your VIPs at a discount, you're going to lose a VIP. So you have to weigh what is best for your business. Now, from my 8 years here at Posh, I'm going to give you just a little bit of my takeaways from this. A loyal customer often is a loyal customer because they love the products. Now, if it's a loyal customer that wants to join, that gets excited to see what Posh can do for their life, how they can expand their sphere of influence with Posh, that person definitely could be someone that can come into our community and fit perfectly. But if it's someone that has been just loves the products and they're just here because they want to purchase the product, being a part of the business isn't always what they're looking for. They're looking for just going in and placing an order and having it shipped to them. They don't want to learn how to make a party, go through any hoops. They just want to place an order. So let's say we invite this VIP customer in as just that, a consultant now, an influencer. They have to learn how to log in. They got to make their purchase. They got to check out. They have to learn the ropes of our virtual office. And a lot of times, they're not here to do that. They just want to enjoy the product. So what do? They don't place an order. They don't go in their virtual office. And they're too embarrassed to tell you that they don't want to do all that work. So therefore, they just don't place orders. So that loyal customer that you've had for years that has purchased regularly joins, doesn't place orders, and falls off the face of the earth. What did that just do for your business? It didn't grow your business at all. You've lost your volume that came from this loyal customer, and now they're too embarrassed to even tell you that they can't log into their VO. Hence, you're not gonna get any orders. So, as we go into May, start thinking about our $30 kit as a build your own business kit. Meaning, they can come in for $30, they can get their business supplies, they can get their replicated website, and they can go in and customize the products that they want to purchase to start their business. It's customizable. It's easy for them to do. If they don't know exactly what they want to start their business off, hey, guess what? We offer a $99 kit too, where you can get specific products designed from home office sent to you to get your business started off. So you can feel, try, and experience those base products from Posh to see exactly where you want to go with your business. There's lots of options, you guys, but take it from me. Don't sell the $30 kit as a discount. Make it worth your while. Keep your VIP customers that love to purchase from you, your VIP customers. Bring people into the business that are actually wanting to be a part of the business. And you're gonna see your sphere of influence grow, not only as a purchaser, because you kept your VIP people, but also your sphere of influence as that continues to grow. So take a few minutes, practice, think about, and just decide, how am I going to share this new opportunity, this new pay plan, these 2 new kits with everybody I meet. I hope that helps you think a little bit about your future with Posh, and please feel free to ask questions because I'm here to help you, and I'm here to help you grow your sphere of influence. Thank you, Ultimate Posh Crew. Check you on the page.